Hi there, welcome to the add-ons. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Views for Elementor Forms plugin, a powerful add-on that lets you display and manage Elementor form submissions right on your website's front end. So as you can see, I've got a post submission form here. So let's take a look at some of the entries I've received already. So now what we want to do is display these entries on the front end. To display our entries on the front end, we need to create a new page. Search for Elementor View widget. Drag it into your page. You will see the settings panel titled Edit Elementor View. Under the Multiple Entries section, you can control how your form entries are displayed. Select Form, choose the Elementor form containing the entries that we want to show. View Type allows you to display your entries using different layouts for this as the table, a grid, or a list. Entries limit per page. Set how many items appear per page. Display only logged-in user entries. Enable this if you want users to see only their own submission. Show single entry. Turn this on if you want users to click and open one entry in detail. The next step is add header elements. You can add a search bar for filtering entries. Count displays the total number of entries. Pagination add navigation between pages. HTML lets you insert custom text or HTML. At the bottom, there's another widgets area similar to the header. These let you add useful tools below your entries. Then in the middle, we have this section called Fields. Here is we can add form fields to display user submitted values on the front end. Each field has title, the label that appears on the front end, field, the actual field ID or short code from your Elementor form. For example, I want to show only these fields, the post submission forms. I open the form. Copy the label post title. You can take another title, but I still keep this one. Copy the field ID and paste it. I do the same way with post content and post image. Publish and have a preview. And here are our form fields displayed in the table columns. So as you can see, at any field have a view detail button. So if we click on that, this takes us through to the single entry page where we can view the full post submission. Because you switch on the Show Single Entry button, so this view detail displayed. I will turn on the Edit and Delete Entries button. So now scroll down, you will see the Edit Entry and Delete Entry action. If we click on that, it takes us through to the Edit Entry layout where all of these fields are editable from the front end. So let's change the title. And I'll update the value too. Click this link to return to the entry, and as you can see, the title applied. So let's test out the search functionality, and let's say we only want. And that's it! You've successfully set up the views for Elementor Fonts plugin to display, search, edit, and manage your Elementor form entries right on the front end without using the WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.